Hello family, so this is not jollof rice and it is not fried rice. It is neither. Come with me, let me show you how I made it. So these are my ingredients. This is the only ingredient I use to make this rice. So you see, you don't need tomato to make rice. So in a little pot, I added my oil and sesame oil. So I'm using olive oil. And I had to go in with my shrimp. I fried it until it was cooked for 2 minutes because we need the flavor. We're just trying to build flavor. So I went with my chopped onion. I fried until it was translucent. Then I went in with my chopped peppers. So here I have a little bit of pepper and ginger and garlic. I'm going to fry until the flavor is built. Then I added a little bit of curry off camera. Then the next thing I added was my vegetables. These are the vegetables I want to use. So you can actually add or skip. But I would like you to add your vegetables because it's going to make your rice colorful. So the next process is to fry this. You are going to fry and fry until your rice colors and you begin to hear that cramp, 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 cramp sound like the pot is about to burn. Yes. So it's now that you're going to be adding your meat stock, but for me I don't have any meat stock, so I just added water. The next thing we're going to add, which is the banger for this recipe, it is soya sauce and oyster sauce. So mix well and add into your rice. Stir properly to make sure it is well combined. And I decided to add some spring onion, but it's totally optional. You can do that or you can take it out. So I stirred properly. Make sure at this point you taste. Now, this recipe needs a lot of pepper because this rice will come out so sweet. So you have to add some pepper to it. So the next thing I added was my cooked fish. Remember, your fish has to be cooked for you to add it to build that flavor. And that was it. And I covered, and in the next 20 minutes our rice was ready. Did you see it? Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please like, follow and share this recipe. Thank you. See you in my next recipe. Bye.